Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, guys. So, as you see here, what the daily candle doing to us here, and I tell it to you yesterday. I tell it to you in 30 minutes because yesterday, if you remember, us we analyzed from the daily for hours, then 30 minutes, and the video before the previous one, also we enter from here and here. We take profit in 30 minutes. Me, I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. But today, what it's looking, it's falling down, guys. So I tell it to you, I told you for investors, is not yet. It's still very, very, very early. And I told you need to wait until 21 of September when the interest rate of USA going to come. But now here, what it's looking is going to make the same thing how you see it here. That one is going to do it here. The same thing what it did here. Look at it, it stays sideways here for some time, then it break down. Same thing is going to happen here, sideways sometime, then it's going to break down. Everything is the same. The history is repeating itself as we said it. Now what is it here? As you see it, guys, here they try to push up, then it came to that side here, it came that candle here, as you see it. And now here, there is no big volume today, as you see it down here. If you zoom here at the volume, what you seeing down here, guys, there is no volume. The big volume, it happened when that red candle came. But the only big volume down here, there is no volume. It's only market makers and retail traders. They are here. Investors, they are no one of them here. There is no big buying and no big selling. So as you see it, it's very, very low. And yesterday, look at the volume. As you see it, there is no one buying, and here no one selling now. And I tell it that to you, in Saturday and Sunday there is no big players in the market because majority of the investors, they go out from the market and at Saturday and Sunday. Everything is too clear here. In my chart, what we got, same thing, nothing was changed. As you see it, what we got here, we got that long-term trend, that white one, and here we got that level here, and down here we got that level. As you see it, it came to it, it touched it, it make going up. Now it will do it like that. I think me is going to go tail here to touch that level here. Then after that it's going to drop, guys. Bitcoin is still going down, unless if something new happen. I don't know what is going to be, but also we're still in a downtrend, guys. I'll show you all those things, and show you also we touching here the top part of that channel here, that one. That means the Bitcoin from here, it need to fall down till it touching the lower of the channel, that one, which is going to be 12k. But tell now what the Bitcoin is showing here in that zone. It's showing a very stronger level, and the Bitcoin is still holding here between 17k till 20k. So as you see it, it came here, it go back. So for investors, it's not yet, guys. Even if you go to the weekly, you will not find something new is going there. Here in the weekly, guys, the picture is very, very, very clear here. Look with me what the market done for you here. It came here to that zone here, which is here, that supply demand zone here. It pushed up like that by that candle. It came till here, then it came that red one next to the 200 moving average. It came that red one, it's pushing down again. What that meant, guys? That meant Bitcoin is still going down. That's what it meant here in the weekly. There is nothing will change that, unless if the next week came a green candle next to it like that, indicating that the market is going to go higher. But for you as an investor to enter, it need the Bitcoin to come. Forget about what they tell you online and all those people they talking about in the social media and here in YouTube and those things. That's the view of them, and some people they got Bitcoin, they hold it from up, they don't want it to fall down. But reality, the chart is talking to you, guys. Look at it. If it doesn't give you here like that, like a W like that, don't enter. If it doesn't, the Bitcoin came break for you that last high here, don't enter. That's it. The only thing I can tell you. Now what it's indicating, as you see it, it's breaking for us the 200 moving average. It came here It show a rejection, but no one want to buy. Now it's indicating it's falling down. By the way, that weekly candle, it's left for 7 hours. So when the daily candle finishes, it's going to be finished, and I'm going to come back to you. So now what the Bitcoin is going to do, we're going to see next week. That's it. But me, I think it's going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what it done here. What did I told you yesterday? I told you got here a zone. Here in that place, you got a zone. You came to it. it show a little bit of rejection here, and I tell it that I told you for scalpers and day traders, yes, you can enter from here, but for long-term investors, is not yet, guys. What did I told you here? If you remember with me, what did I told you here? In that zone, I told you, look at the Bitcoin, what it doing here. The peak here, 1, 2, 3 in the top and 2 in the down, then it falling down. Same thing here. Look at it. Here, and here, 3 in the top, 2 in down, then he fall down. What it done for you here? Where is the peak? Is here. Yes or no? Now look, in the top, 1, 2, I think it's going to go back up to give you the third one. Then he's going to fall down, guys. Till here maybe. Same thing. The history is repeating themselves. As you see it, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So make sure to subscribe to our channel to benefiting from all those things, or you can join even our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. And you, if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button and write for us down a comment to help us growing up more that channel. Help us, guys. Also, we give you free content here. What we wanting from you? We wanting from you just to helping us by a small thing. It will not take you even 1 minute. Just smashing the like button and writing for us a comment. Just write anything you want. Even swearing at me, I don't care. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So as you see, guys, here, our indicator, it being here at that long-term trend. Also, we've been following here. And now it's falling here. He tried to come back here to that zone, but he couldn't. Now he's going back down again, guys. So what that indicating? It's indicating that one is going to go down here. Maybe it's going to stay here sideways till midnight. Then after that, it's going to go here, guys. Or Monday is going to make that correction, that very famous correction of the Monday. Then after that, it's going to drop, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touched here, the oversold area. It's been here. He went till here. Then he make that small correction here, or that bigger correction which came the inflation of USA here. Then it dropped till here again. Now here what it's showing here, down. I tell that to you before. I told you he will go back inside again, guys. He will go back to the oversold area. Unless if it came and give you here a divergence like that, and but that one, the chart, it need to fall down here. Everything dependent on Monday, guys. Everything dependent on Monday. If Monday came and bring a big candle like that, give you here a divergence, that when the Bitcoin is going to go higher. If the Monday came a candle and doing like that, going up, remember my word, the Bitcoin is going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see the Bitcoin, what it done for you here, give you here a very, very, very clear pattern here. Look with me here, look here, and look here, guys. What is it that? That a wage, guys? Yes or no? Now what the view? The view that one, it will come down till it will touch in here, down, guys. Here, the down of that wage. Yes or no? And what me have been telling you all the time. What I've been telling you here in the 4 hours. If you've been with us for some time, what I've been telling you? I've been telling you, guys, look with me here, down. Down here, what the volume is telling you. What did I told you here? Who is winning here? Look at it. Very, very, very clear here. Who is winning here? Who is winning here? Who is winning here? Who is winning here and here? Which look to you winning? As the reds or the bears or the sellers? Is them, they are controlling that chart, guys. I've been telling you that all the time. And here what we got here in the 4 hours, guys. In that level where we are us. Look at it. Now you see the clear picture now. There is nothing hiding now. What you see in here? Here in that zone. What you see in? A very stronger supply and demand zone. Every time he touches the price, it fall down. And what you got here in the top? Here in the top, what you got? Another stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Same thing what happened here in that zone. Here is going to happen here, guys. Same thing. Here, where it stopped? It stopped down here, down in that level. Yes or no? What did I told you got now? You got a wage like that. Yes or no? Where is going to stop that chart of the Bitcoin? Here, down, guys. I've been telling you that all the time. Everything is too clear, guys. And here in my chart, let me show it to you. Here in my chart, everything's still the same, guys. We got the top of that channel. When it touched it, down here, it touched for us the lower of that channel. He went up till it touching the upper of it here. Now he touched the upper of it. Where it's going now? It's going to touch the lower of that channel as we have here. Yes, that level here with yellow, it's still holding, but it will not hold for long because as you see what the market give you here. Look with me very close. It may show it to you like that. Here, look at it, a wave. Where is the low of that wave? Is it down? Here. Where is the high of it? It is up here. What it need now to give you? Not the high. It need to give you another low, guys, like that. To give you another low down here, and that's what the market trying to do now. Look at that, it came up, give you a wave. Now you need to make a close eye at that level here. By the way, that level is very stronger level because it came from here, as you see it, from all those places here. Now you need to make a close eye if it's going to break or not. The sellers is them, the controller, guys, as you see them. Look at the volume, it tell you everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, that one, what it done, he came down, he touching for us the lower of that trend line here. Also we draw it from the divergence level. Now what it's showing here, he came up, he touched for us that middle wall also we have. What it's indicating now, it's indicating it falling to touch it again. Let's see now if that trend line here is going to hold or not. If it's holding, is another story. That means it will going up again. If it's not, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down till the oversold area, guys, till down here. Everything is too clear, guys, here, and I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because every day we're updating you, my friend. Every day we're updating you, and you learn from professional people, not someone who just watching something online and came to analyzing for you. Also, we are professional people. That the job of us, that what we earning our living is from trading. That the only thing else we do. You want to learn from us, you are welcome, my friend. So let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, what it done here, it hasn't entered yet to the oversold area, so it's still very early, guys, for you to enter here. It's need to enter more here till the color of that orange here, as you see it, to become red like here. So now what it's indicated to you, it's indicating still more falling down, guys, and that's what I've been telling you. He give you here that wage here, that one. It's a very clear wage now. I think it's going to fall down to touch the lower of it, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. It's going up to 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes doing right now. So we're going to update you right now what the market doing right now, guys. So let's go in there. Here in 30 minutes, guys, here is the magic happening. What did I told you yesterday here? What did I told you yesterday here at that level here? Here, what did I told you? I told you got here a wage. If it's breaking for you lower here, you enter short, guys. Yes or no? I told you yesterday, give you here a double top like that. If it's breaking for you the lower here, you enter short. And all those things is still on our channel, guys. Where it's breaking here. Yes or no? It's breaking here in that candle. So till now you are in profit, guys. Why we enter long last time? Because of that one. Look at it. Here, a head and shoulder, guys. Where is the top of it? Is here. So that candle here also we enter. Where we take profit? Here. Why? I'm going to show it to you all those things that for scalpers and day traders, that not for long-term investors. Now what the view to it, guys? What is it there? Look with me. Did you see something here? Look with me. Over here, what you got? Here, like that, and like that. What you seeing, guys? It's the same wage I showed it to you before. Yes or no? It's the same wage, guys. Now, what the Bitcoiners need to do, it is going to fall down to touch for us the lower of that wage here. And now it's breaking for us the 200 moving average lower. As you see it, he go up, but he couldn't stay above it. He go back now inside. And here, as you see here, in that level, you got a very stronger level, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what it done to us here. We be in here at the overbought area. Is the right time for us to take profit. If you remember me, I told you here, in that place, here, when it make the correction, I told you it's not yet. It need to be green, like that and like that. When it become green, where? Here, in that zone here. So it's been the right time for you to take the profit. Now what it done here? It entered the oversold area, guys. But if you're looking with me, yes, you are in a very stronger level here. No one will say no. But did you see any pattern here indicating for you to go higher, guys? No, there is nothing here. I'm talking about here, in that zone here. There is nothing. Yes, we got here in that place here. What we got? We got here a head and shoulder, very big head and shoulder here. But where is the top of it? The top of it, is it down here in that zone? Doesn't break it for us, so there is no entry for us to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? You get what me I'm talking here or no? If you understand, my friends, smash the like button down. Go now, go. Smashing the like. Did you done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So guys, that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finished. Bye for now, guys.